Hi, my name is Emily, and did you know the human body is made up of 11 organ systems that all work together to help us carry out our daily lives. They work interactively, and if one system is down, it affects the whole body. Let's start by looking at the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. The main organ in the cardiovascular system is the heart. The heart pumps blood into different sections of your body, and one of the sections it travels to is the lungs. The lungs are part of the respiratory system, which supplies the blood with oxygen. When you inhale, the oxygen passes through the pharynx, larynx, trachea, and into the lungs, where it diffuses in the blood through the alveoli. It is then carried throughout the body. The respiratory system also removes carbon dioxide and water from the skeletal cells, muscle cells, heart cells, and brain cells that the urinary system produces as waste products. This leads us to the digestive and excretory or urinary systems. The digestive system allows food to be transformed into energy. The food passes through the mouth and the esophagus before entering the stomach, where absorption takes place and the food is transformed into enzymes, glucose, and nutrients for the body to use for energy. The nutrients produced are used for bone growth and repair, for the muscles and the heart, for the kidneys, and the brain. The kidneys, which are part of the excretory system, filter waste and purify the blood. The waste transforms into urine and flows down the ureters, which deliver the urine to the bladder. The bladder is a big sac-like structure which holds all of the urine and then releases it when it's full. The urine travels out of the body through the urethra. Then there are also the endocrine and immune systems. The endocrine system is a system that uses hormones and chemical compounds that help cells function and stimulate the cell's activity. The hormones travel into the bloodstream. The immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to attack diseases that try to enter the body. Our bodies are perfect places for bacteria, parasites, and fungi to stay and cause infection. The immune systems work to destroy and rid our bodies of the illnesses. Next are the integumentary and nervous systems. Our body's first line of defense, the skin, is also known as the integumentary system, which regulates the body's temperature, protects layers of tissue from sun damage, and prevents pathogens from entering the body. This system also houses millions of nerves that respond to sensory input. For example, touch, pressure, and pain. Two interconnected nervous systems are the central nervous system, which includes the spinal cord and the brain and gets information from the body and sends out instructions, and the peripheral nervous system, which includes all of the nerves and sends messages from the brain to the entire body. And finally, we have the skeletal and muscular systems. The system that makes up our body's shape and is also made up of cartilage and bone is the skeletal system. There are 206 bones in the skeleton that support the body and protect the organs they surround. The cartilage acts as a padding to soften pressure and provides support with flexibility and resistance. Whenever we move, it's the result of muscles contracting, which is the combined action of joints and bones. The contraction of muscles provides the body posture, heat production, and joint stability. Smooth muscles are found throughout the body in the esophagus, stomach, large intestine, rectum, diaphragm, heart, veins, and arteries, and bladder. So now you know.